In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label a legend in Google Sheets. Clear legend labels make your charts easier to read at a glance, and the good news is that labeling them in Google Sheets is quick and flexible. Let's start with the fastest method. Click once on your chart to select it, then go straight to the legend on the chart itself. Double-click the text you want to change, and simply type the label you prefer, like hats or shoes. Press Enter, and you're done. This change only affects the chart, not your underlying spreadsheet data, so you can customize the display without rewriting any cells in your sheet. It's a great option when you want to tidy up names for a presentation or make them more descriptive. If your legend names aren't showing up at all, and you're seeing generic labels like Series 1 or Series 2, check one setting in the chart editor. Click the chart to open the chart editor panel, which usually appears on the right. If you don't see it, double-click the chart area to bring it up. Go to the Setup tab and scroll to the bottom. Make sure the option Use Column A as Labels is checked. This tells Google Sheets to use the text next to your numbers as the legend names. As soon as you enable it, your chart should pull those labels directly from your first column, which instantly makes the legend meaningful. Once your labels are correct, you can make them stand out with a few styling tweaks. In the chart editor, switch to the Customize tab and choose Legend. From here, you can move the legend to the top, bottom, left, or right of the chart to match your layout. You can also adjust the font size so it's readable on small screens, and change the text color to improve contrast against your chart background. These small adjustments go a long way toward making your chart look polished and professional. Here's the real pro tip to save time. Label your data before you build the chart. Type clear headers and series names in your sheet first, one for each column or category you plan to chart. When you insert the chart, Google Sheets will automatically use those headers for the legend, so you won't have to edit anything later. It keeps your chart consistent with your data and streamlines your workflow. That's it. Quick edits, a key setting to check, a few style options, and a time-saving habit that does the heavy lifting for you.